Heat advisories and an extreme heat warning have taken effect across parts of Southern California as a prolonged heat wave brings triple-digit Fahrenheit temperatures to inland areas of the region. Forecasters say Thursday, July 23rd, is expected to be the hottest day of the heat wave, while overnight temperatures are forecast to remain well above normal in many valleys, offering little relief from the heat. The National Weather Service said the hot conditions are expected to continue into early next week, with little day-to-day change in temperatures.
So we're in an El Nino year, and the predictions are that it's going to get bigger through the winter. So we're going to have a really, potentially record-breaking El Nino this winter. The larger the El Nino, the more you tilt the chances to a wet winter.
At the same time, Southern California is experiencing a prolonged heat wave on land. Ocean surface temperatures off the coast have also climbed above average levels, including at Scripps Pier in San Diego, California. Nealon said marine heat waves can develop for a variety of reasons, including El Nino conditions. Other factors include large patches of unusually warm water, sometimes referred to as blobs, that can form with changes in ocean currents, or when atmospheric conditions allow surface waters to warm and remain elevated for extended periods.
During El Nino, we see currents coming up from the El Nino right along the coast and warming the subsurface water off our coast. We usually have upwelling, bringing up cold water. Now the water is warmer, so we tend to get warmer water off the coast.
The warmer waters can have significant consequences for marine ecosystems.
It's like a heat wave in the air, except if you're a creature that lives in the water, that is your temperature. You are in that all the time. You can't sweat to cool off. And so the marine heat waves can have pretty severe impacts on the ecosystems, on the fisheries, on the marine life.
Looking ahead, Nealon said forecasts for a potentially strong El Nino this winter could increase the odds of heavy rainfall across California, bringing with it heightened concerns about flooding and landslides.
The intensity of rain is a big factor in whether you get landslides and flooding. Obviously, your infrastructure is not necessarily built to handle a really intense period of rain. And your hillsides, if they haven't had that intensity of rain before, very often they're much more likely to have a lot of soil debris wash down and start a landslide.